Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and maintaining balance in our bodies. So, if you're looking to boost your kidney function naturally, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of fruits today because they're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your kidneys. We've handpicked 7 fantastic fruits that are known to support kidney health. From hydration to antioxidants, these fruits have got it all. Alright, let's jump into the top 7 fruits for kidney health. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon, with its succulent and hydrating flesh, is not just a summer delight but also a potential ally in promoting kidney health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and high water content, this refreshing fruit offers a range of benefits that can contribute to the overall well-being of your kidneys. Watermelon is composed of about 92% water, making it a natural hydrating agent. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney function as it helps to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Adequate hydration supports the kidneys in maintaining a proper balance of electrolytes and ensuring optimal functioning. Watermelon is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and lycopene. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and potentially protecting the kidneys from damage. Lycopene, in particular, has been linked to a lower risk of kidney disease. Unlike some fruits and vegetables that are high in oxalates, compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, watermelon is generally low in oxalates. This makes it a kidney-friendly option for those who are prone to kidney stone formation. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is not only beneficial for your kidneys but also a delicious and versatile choice. Whether enjoyed on its own, in salads, smoothies, or as a refreshing drink, watermelon adds a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their rich antioxidant content, primarily in the form of polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals, byproducts of normal metabolic processes and environmental exposures, can damage cells and contribute to various health issues, including kidney damage. By combating oxidative stress, cranberries help protect the kidneys from potential damage and promote their optimal functioning. One of the well-established benefits of cranberries is their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are often caused by bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that may help prevent these bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of infection. By preventing the colonization of bacteria, cranberries indirectly support kidney health by averting potential infection-related complications. Cranberries contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help mitigate inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Reduced inflammation can contribute to improved kidney function and lower the risk of chronic kidney diseases over time. Cranberries, despite their relatively low water content, can contribute to overall hydration when consumed as part of a well-balanced diet. Including cranberries in various forms, such as fresh berries, juice, or dried, can aid in maintaining optimal fluid balance. 3. Pineapple. One of the key compounds that make pineapple stand out is bromelain. This enzyme complex has been associated with anti-inflammatory properties, potentially assisting the kidneys in managing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can be detrimental to kidney function, and bromelain's ability to mitigate inflammation may offer protective effects. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health, as it supports the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Pineapple, with its high water content, contributes to overall hydration. Adequate hydration helps maintain optimal kidney function by ensuring a sufficient flow of urine, which aids in the removal of waste products. Pineapple is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese. Antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to various health issues, including kidney damage. Including pineapple in your diet may offer a natural way to boost your antioxidant intake and support kidney health. While excessive potassium intake can be a concern for individuals with kidney problems, maintaining a balance of this essential mineral is crucial for overall health. Pineapple provides a moderate amount of potassium, contributing to a well-rounded diet. For those without kidney issues, potassium is important for maintaining proper fluid balance and nerve function. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Pineapple contains compounds that may contribute to blood pressure regulation. The potassium content, combined with the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, suggests that pineapple could play a role in supporting cardiovascular health, indirectly benefiting the kidneys. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds give blueberries their vibrant color and provide a range of health benefits. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can otherwise contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries may support overall kidney health. Chronic inflammation is often associated with kidney diseases. Blueberries contain various phytochemicals, including quercetin and myricetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help mitigate inflammation in the kidneys, potentially reducing the risk of kidney-related issues. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for kidney health. Blueberries are a rich source of anthocyanins, which have been linked to lower blood pressure. By promoting blood vessel dilation and reducing inflammation, blueberries may contribute to the regulation of blood pressure, thereby supporting the kidneys. Diabetes is a major risk factor for kidney disease, and managing blood sugar levels is essential for kidney health. Blueberries have a relatively low glycemic index and contain fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Including blueberries in the diet may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes, potentially reducing the risk of kidney complications. Blueberries contain compounds that may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs can pose a risk to kidney health if left untreated, and blueberries' ability to inhibit the adhesion of bacteria to the urinary tract lining may contribute to reducing the likelihood of infection. 5. Apples. Apples have long been praised for their delicious taste and nutritional benefits, but did you know that they could play a significant role in supporting kidney health? Packed with essential nutrients and unique compounds, apples offer a range of advantages that contribute to overall well-being, including the well-being of our kidneys. Apples are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. While vitamin C supports the immune system and overall health, the moderate potassium content in apples is generally safe for individuals with healthy kidney function. Apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with a medium-sized apple containing about 4 grams of fiber. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, fiber can help prevent constipation, a condition that, when chronic, may contribute to kidney complications. The high water content of apples contributes to hydration, a fundamental aspect of kidney health. Proper hydration is essential for the kidneys to effectively filter waste and toxins from the blood, promoting optimal kidney function. Including water-rich fruits like apples in your diet can contribute to overall hydration and support the kidneys in their vital role. Apples contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which possess natural detoxifying properties. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. By promoting detoxification, apples indirectly support the kidneys by easing their workload and enhancing overall health. 6. Kiwi. One of the key factors that make kiwi beneficial for kidney health is its exceptional vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant known for its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. The kidneys, being vital organs in the filtration and elimination of waste from the body, are particularly susceptible to oxidative damage. Kiwi's robust vitamin C content helps protect these organs from oxidative stress, supporting their optimal function. Kiwi, with its high water content, contributes to overall hydration. Adequate hydration helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and supports the kidneys in their role of filtering and excreting waste products. Maintaining a proper balance of electrolytes, including potassium, is essential for kidney function. Imbalances in potassium levels can lead to complications, affecting the kidneys and cardiovascular system. Kiwi provides a moderate amount of potassium, contributing to a well-balanced diet that supports kidney health without causing excessive strain on these vital organs. The health of the kidneys and cardiovascular system often goes hand in hand. Kiwi has been associated with heart health benefits, thanks to its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. By promoting cardiovascular well-being, kiwi indirectly support kidney function, as the kidneys rely on a healthy blood flow to carry out their filtration processes efficiently. 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are a potent source of antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the impact of free radicals that can contribute to cellular damage. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, pomegranate may play a role in safeguarding the kidneys from oxidative stress. Pomegranate possesses anti-inflammatory properties attributed to its content of polyphenols, including ellagic acid and tannins. These compounds may help mitigate inflammation, potentially offering protection to the delicate structures of the kidneys. Pomegranate has been studied for its potential blood pressure-lowering effects. The fruit contains bioactive compounds that may contribute to the dilation of blood vessels, aiding in blood pressure regulation and potentially reducing the strain on the kidneys. Kidney stones can be a painful and recurrent issue for some individuals. Pomegranate has been investigated for its ability to inhibit the formation of certain types of kidney stones. The fruit's high concentration of antioxidants may play a role in preventing the crystallization of substances that lead to stone formation. Kidney health and cardiovascular health are closely intertwined. Pomegranate has been linked to cardiovascular benefits, including improved cholesterol levels and enhanced artery function. These cardiovascular advantages may indirectly contribute to the well-being of the kidneys by promoting overall circulatory health. To reap the potential kidney health benefits of pomegranate, consider adding this versatile fruit to your diet. Enjoy it fresh as a snack, sprinkle the arrows over salads, blend them into smoothies, or use pomegranate juice as a refreshing beverage.